Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ancient Time Beauty Secrets. In today's video, I'm showing you all a simple face wash powder. In fact, this is called as vitamin C face wash powder. And now let's move into the video. So now let us see what are all the ingredients required to make this face wash powder. First of all, take amla powder. Take sufficient amount of amla powder. And this powder is easily available in the market. And next, take a few grams of red lentils and powder them. Red lentils really work out very well for skin. In fact, they make all the blemishes and dark spots disappear and make your skin glow like never before. So this is nothing but the red lentil powder. And this is nothing but the all-time favorite for skincare, besan. That's all. These three are the main powders here, and when you wash your face, you're supposed to mix up this powder with honey. So now let us start making the face wash powder. First of all, take red lentil powder. See that if you're taking 2 tablespoons of red lentil powder, add 2 tablespoons of besan and 2 tablespoons of amla. So this is besan. And then finally we are adding amla. See that all the 3 powders are mixed in equal quantity and mix up them so well. Here it is. Mix them properly, and you can use this at any time. I mean, like soon after you wake up in the morning, or at night, or in the evening. This face wash powder is super good, and the would-be brides can definitely use it because it is that effective in removing all the dust and impurities, and even gives your skin a special glow. So this is how you just mix it and your powder is ready. That's it. So once after you've mixed all the powders so well, your face wash powder is ready. Store it in some airtight container and wash it use it regularly to wash your face. You can use it twice, not at all an issue. Now let us see how to make the face wash. First of all, take some amount of sufficient amount of this powder and add a little honey, not too much. Little honey, and then add some water to it and mix up so well. 1/4 tablespoon of honey will do. To this add little amount of water and then mix up. It is not actually the scrub what people feel like, but it's absolutely the face wash. You can definitely find good results. Let us add some water. The main ingredient what we are using here is amla powder. We know amla or Indian gooseberry is considered to be a superfood. Even in Ayurveda, it holds a great value as it is used in many health and beauty remedies. In fact, it is also an excellent source of antioxidants because it is highly rich in vitamin C and B complex contents. So it really works great on your skin. So our face wash is ready. And one more important thing is that amla helps a lot in keeping our skin young and beautiful by fighting with free radicals. And also when used in the form of face packs and scrubs, it helps prevent acne, sunburn, etc. So this is all about the amla and red lentils. As usual, they are highly beneficial in keeping our skin bright and glowing. And besan is of course our all-time favorite, easily available in the kitchen. So these 3, and next one is honey, which moisturizes our skin. Next main ingredient is that, of course. So now let us see how to use it. First of all, wet your face and then apply this. You can use it even on your neck. Wet your face and neck, and then take this in small amounts and then apply it on your face and neck, and then rub your face in circular motion with this. I mean the same way as you do with your regular face wash. That's it. And then after washing, your face will be glowing like never before. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.